There are two things you are doing that are leaving you out of breath while swimming freestyle. Let's fix them right now. Number one, you're probably not breathing enough. As you're swimming, swim, 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 swim. Okay, here comes that breath. Here comes that breath. You wouldn't jog that way. You wouldn't ride your bike that way. You want to breathe more often. I like to pick my favorite side to breathe on. Let's say it's left side. Every time my right arm touches, I'm going to take a breath. Watch. I'll breathe on the right side. Folks, I can do that for a long, long, long time because I'm breathing comfortably and it's not a huge number. The second thing you're probably doing is you're just kicking too hard and trying too hard. Relax, flow in the water. Watch again. I'm not having to kick very hard. Watch how high my legs are. So, not breathing enough, trying too hard, kicking too hard. Those are the two main things. Breathe more often, kick a little less, stretch out nice and tall. I teach a great Learn to Swim course online. Comment the word swim down below with your link to the course. Other two lessons, I teach swimming and how to swim without getting so tired.